This is the line right here where you see all of the lightning. This line is capable of producing damaging winds stronger than 60 miles per hour, quarter-sized hail, heavy rain, and a lot of lightning. Over the last 15 minutes, we have actually picked up about 1,500 lightning strikes. Hear thunder, see lightning, get indoors and stay away from windows. Also, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for the following counties. They are all highlighted in yellow right here, and this does include Beaufort, Bryan, Chatham, Effingham, Jasper, and Liberty counties. And this warning, it goes in effect until 6 p.m. and it's right over Richmond Hill, right along parts of I-95 where we are seeing very heavy rain, a rainfall rate of around 2 inches per hour.
Tina and Russ, the rain is falling pretty hard here in Richmond Hill. I'm actually along Highway 17 near Ford Avenue and standing in the Harris Trail Plaza, this little strip mall here, and everybody that is shopping has basically decided maybe not to go into their vehicles right now and not to try and drive through this of actually just standing under the awnings. But the rain is coming down pretty hard right now, and the wind as well has also picked up and is actually blowing towards my back, causing the rain to go everywhere, even in my rain boots. So no luck there for staying dry today. But there is some lightning that's starting to appear and some thunder, and emergency officials just stress that you take it very carefully out here if you have to drive in these conditions.
Well, if you're not seeing this kind of rain where you live, just wait. Odds are many of you will see heavy rain or thunderstorms tonight. This is some video we shot from Hinesville, as you can see. Gives new meaning to the term driving rain. Chris is tracking it all. Let's turn it over to her right now. Chris.
So the line of storms moving to the east-northeast at 30 miles per hour. It is headed towards Savannah in just a couple of minutes. Skidaway Island, 11 minutes. Wilmington Island, 17. And then Bluffton, it's headed toward you in about 39 minutes. You need to stay inside and stay away from windows because we are already getting storm reports. In Liberty County out of Hinesville, wind damage. Tree was down in parts of Hinesville. Also, lightning did strike a tree in Allenhurst, Liberty County, also causing some damage. And don't forget that you can stay informed with WSAV News 3 right here, WSAV.com. We're on Facebook, we're on, and we have our 24-hour weather network station.
And severe weather slamming parts of Alabama and North Georgia today. Several areas are dealing with downed trees and power lines, which has led to power outages across the northern part of our state. That same system is now affecting us. Let's turn it over to Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Chris Albrin. Chris?
And the entire line, we are tracking it for you so you know town by town where it's going. It is headed toward Wilmington Island in about minutes, Bluffton in about 24 minutes, and Hilton Head is headed toward you in about 44 minutes.
It's a little bit lighter than it was at 5 o'clock. The wind hasn't really picked up as much as it did at 5 o'clock, but I have been seeing a lot more lightning strikes in the area and some of that thunder, which is going off right now, that is in the area. But right now I'm not seeing any street flooding in this area, and the traffic is still moving pretty smoothly.
And this line is now getting closer and closer to the coast for many of us. The last 15 minutes, we have picked up about 1,300 lightning strikes. Be very careful. If you hear thunder, see lightning, go inside, stay away from windows. Be careful if you are trying to send us pictures or video. If you hear thunder, make sure that you do go back inside and stay safe. As we zoom in, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for the counties that are right here, circled for you in yellow. And this does include Beaufort, Chatham, Effingham, and Jasper counties, and that warning goes until 6 p.m. As we zoom into Chatham County, the very heavy rain has now moved right over parts of Whitmarsh and Wilmington Islands, where we are tracking a rainfall rate of around 1.4 inches per hour. So that heavy rain, it's headed right toward you on Tybee. And here's a 3D view of the storm system. The height goes just a little past 30,000 feet. That lets us know just how strong the storm system is. It also lets us know if the storm is getting stronger or if it's getting weaker. And it is showing signs that it is, in fact, getting weaker.
Now, Storm Team 3 weather, powered by Hargrey Live Titan Radar.
All right, Chris, you told us we could be in for some rough weather this afternoon, and that certainly has been the case.
All right, this is our view in Bluffton, just outside the WSAV Hampton Lake newsroom. And News 3's Raquel Rodriguez is also tracking the storm for us as it moves across the coastal empire. She is back in Chatham County.
I'm actually along Ogeechee Road near Burrick Boulevard, where the rain is coming down steady, but it's not a very hard rain as we saw about an hour ago. The sky is actually lightening up some. It's not as dark and ominous as it was before, but there is still some lightning in this area. There is still some thunder that I'm hearing, but the traffic is still moving along Ogeechee Road at a good pace. There doesn't seem to be any standing water along the roads hindering any of the drivers.
Around 7 o'clock until 10 o'clock, the bulk of the rain will start to push offshore. But take a look at how we still have leftover rain showers that will start to pick up in intensity even late tonight, and will be sticking around even till about 3 o'clock in the morning. And we will watch it for you. We'll be here to keep you updated.